Hello! So you've acquired the knowledge to become an AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate, but you would like to practice some more before attending the exam. Then you've come to the right place. This unique and original practice exams course is the best way to assess your knowledge and understanding of AWS. Each 65 questions practice exam comes with realistic and exam-like questions and detailed explanation on why an answer is right or wrong, and diagrams and reference links. With this methodology, I guarantee that your knowledge will be on point on all areas. You would like to see what a question looks like? Read the course description and start challenging yourself. This is the perfect companion to the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate course. Look at all these student reviews who aced their exams thanks to this practice exam course. If you put in the time and effort, you will be the next one to be AWS certified. And if you still have doubts, you should know I offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. So what are you waiting for? Enroll and maximize your chances to pass your exam the first time.